Good morning, dear children. This is Quadratic Equation Part 5 brought to you by your favorite maths teacher. And in this particular presentation, you will be learning how to derive quadratic formula to find the roots of a given quadratic equation. Let us write standard form of a quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Children, now you have to change this particular equation in the form of x plus k whole square equal to d, where your k and d are constants, so that you can get the value of x plus k as plus or minus root d, and then x will be equal to minus k plus or minus root d. So this is how you can find the value of x, that is minus k plus or minus root d. Now how to change this particular equation into this form? This is the challenge. First of all, let us expand x plus k whole square and see what we are getting. This is equal to x square plus 2kx plus k square. Okay. Now see, you have to change this equation with different steps so that you can bring it to the form of x square plus 2kx plus k square. Now see, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 can be written as ax square plus bx equal to minus c. Okay, and since here in your steps, here you can see that in x square plus 2k x plus k square, you don't have any variable with x. So what we will do, we will just divide this whole equation by a. So see what you will get. You will get x square plus b by ax equal to minus c by a. Now see children, what middle term you need? You need 2kx in the middle, and see this b by ax should be transformed into this way. Okay, because see your first term is here and you have to bring your k square. You don't have k square here, you have to add k square also. That means you have to recognize what is your k. Let's see, this can be written as x square plus, if you want to make it as 2kx, you multiply by 2 in the numerator and with divide it by 2 denominator also. So see, it will become 2 into b by 2ax equal to minus c by a. Now children, you can see here that you have got your k. Your k is equal to b by 2a. Now what will be your k square? K square will be equal to b square by 4a square. So you need this one also. So what you will do? You will just add this b square by 4a square on both the sides. So you will get x square plus 2b by 2a into x plus b square by 4a square equal to minus c by a plus b square by 4a square. Now see here what you are getting. You are getting your x plus k whole square. X plus k whole square means x plus b by 2a whole square equal to minus c by a plus b square by 4a square. Okay. Now children, that you have got this equation here, you just see x plus b by 2a whole square can be written as, you just take out the LCM in RHS, you will get 4a square and minus 4ac plus b square in the numerator. So this will become b square minus 4ac by 4a square. So x plus b by 2a whole square is coming, x plus b by 2a whole square is coming, b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Okay. Now see, if you want to take out this square, you have to put root here. So x plus b by 2a will become square root of b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Now square root to the numerator as well as to the denominator. So this denominator will change into 2a because square root of 4 is 2 and square root of a square is a. So x plus b by 2a will be equal to root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. But children, please keep in mind, when you are putting the root, I have already told you in the previous classes in squares and square roots chapter in class 8, see, when you put root, you'll get plus or minus. Because see, if you are taking out root 25, it can be plus 5 or minus 5. Okay, so this will become plus or minus. So now here you have got x plus b by 2a is equal to plus or minus b square square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now if you keep x this side, you will get b by 2a plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now see, you have 2a in the denominator of the first term and in the denominator of your second term. So you can take it together. So x will be equal to b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So if you can find out how much is a, how much is b and how much is c in a given quadratic equation, then you can easily find out the roots of the given quadratic equation by using this formula, that is quadratic formula. Let's solve few questions using this quadratic formula. Solving the questions, children, you should know that x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a can give you some more very important information. B square minus 4ac is known as discriminant. Okay, discriminant of the quadratic equation. Now if this discriminant is greater than 0, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then you have real roots. Then you have real roots. Two real roots. Okay. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Suppose if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are equal. Then the roots are equal. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. Now you have to see how these things happen. See, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, that means whatever is coming inside this particular portion will be positive. Okay, so you will get two real roots in the form of alpha and beta. And if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 means if this part, if this part is equal to 0, if this part is equal to 0, you will get minus b by 2a, and that will be 2 times, because this is a quadratic equation, you will have two roots. So you will get minus b by 2a, which will be the same, means two roots which will be equal to minus b by 2a. Now if it is less than 0, you will get negative here in this b square minus 4ac part. You will get something which will be negative inside the root. So negative inside the root is completely imaginary. So these are the three situations which will come when you will solve questions using this quadratic equation formula. Yes, children, now let us see. Here you have been provided with one equation, that is 2x square minus 7x plus 3, and the question says find the roots of the following quadratic equations by quadratic formula. Now some more questions we will be solving. So question number 1 is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Now what you have to do is you have to recognize what is A, what is B and what is C. If you compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, you will get a equal to 2, b equal to minus 7 and c equal to 3. So, how you will proceed? You should know the formula first. What is your quadratic formula? Your quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So, before moving to the next part, let us first calculate the discriminant. So, let us calculate b square minus 4ac. Now, b square minus 4ac from here will be b square means minus 7 whole square minus 4, a is 2 and c is 3. So, you will be getting minus 7 whole square means 49 minus 4 2 is 8 and 8 3 is 24. So that will be 49 minus 24, that will be 25. Now see what you will get. 25 means root 25 will be equal to plus or minus 5. Okay, so that means we will have two real roots in this case. Because this is greater than 0, you will have two real roots. Now let us see how you can find out the value of x. So x will be equal to minus b. So minus b means minus of minus 7 because your b is minus 7, plus or minus, see here you are getting plus or minus root b square minus 4ac plus or minus root b square minus 4ac means you are getting plus or minus 5 divided by 2a. What is your a? A is equal to 2. Okay, so 2a means 2 into 2. So you will be getting minus of minus 7 means plus 7 plus 5 by 4 as one root and plus 7 minus 5 by 4 as another root. So your x will be equal to 12 by 4, that will give you 3, and 7 minus 5, 2 by 4, that will give you 1 by 2. So, finally, your roots will be, x will be equal to 3, comma 1 by 2. So, this is how you will be calculating the solution of a given quadratic equation using the formula minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac, which is also known as quadratic formula. Now the next question is 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. If you compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, you will get a equal to 2, b equal to 1 and c equal to minus 4. First calculate b square minus 4ac. So you will get 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 4. So you will get 1. See, minus and minus plus 4 4s are 16, 2s are 32, 1 plus 32. Okay, so that will be equal to 33. Now b square minus 4ac equal to 33, which is greater than 0. So we have two real roots. We have two real roots. Now let's see what are these two roots. So see, next x will be equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now what is your b? Do you all remember what is your b? B is equal to 1. So put the value of b. So that will give you minus 1 plus or minus root b square minus 4ac was equal to how much? B square minus 4ac was 33. So 1 minus 1 plus or minus root 33 divided by 2 into what is your a? A is equal to 2. So by 2, 2a means 2 into 2. So this will give you minus 1 plus root 33 by 4 and minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. So the value of x will be minus 1 plus root 33 by 4 comma minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. Now again see the next question. 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Here if you compare with our formula. Now let us see next question. 4x square plus 4 root. Come on, the next question is 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. If you compare it with the standard form of quadratic equation, you will get a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 root 3 and c is equal to 3. Now let's first find out our discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. That will be 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 4 into 3. 4a is 4 and c is 3. So here you will get 4 4s are 16 and root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 16 3s are 48 minus c 4 4s are 16 and 16 3s are 48. So here you can see that you are getting the discriminant as 0. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That means you will get two roots which will be equal. Now let us see how we shall get that. Now let us put it in the formula. Now x will be equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now you have just calculated your b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So x will be equal to, what is your b? What is your b? B is equal to 4 root 3 and a is equal to 4. So let us put minus 4 root 3 plus or minus 0 by 2 into 4. So you will be getting minus 4 root 3 by 8. So cancel it. You will get 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So finally you will get x equal to minus root 3 by 2 comma minus root 3 by 2. I hope you got it now. If d is equal to 0, then you have two equal roots. Two equal roots. So this is how you have done this to get the value. Now the next question is 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. If you compare it with the standard form of the equation, you will get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 4. Now first let us find out the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. So that will give you b square means 1 square minus 4 into 2 into 4. So 1 minus 4 for the 16 to the 32, that will be giving you minus 31. See, b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So children, here the roots will be imaginary. So let us see how you are going to get the values. You will not get real values. See, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So in this case, this particular part is coming in negative. So see how you are going to get it. So what is your b? Your b is equal to 1 and a is equal to 2. So here you will put minus 1 plus or minus root. See, this one is minus 31 inside because b square minus 4ac, the value of b square minus 4ac is coming as minus 31. We have just calculated it. If you can see, this is coming to be minus 31. So we will be putting minus 31 inside the root and 2 into a. What is your a? How much is your a? Your a is equal to 2. So put 2. So see, minus 1 plus or minus minus root 31. We have not studied about this type of numbers till now. So this is the answer you are getting, and this is an imaginary number. This is an imaginary number. So children, we will simply say that the roots are imaginary. The roots are imaginary. So that's all in this presentation. We'll meet again with some more questions from the chapter Quadratic Equations. Till then, stay safe, stay indoors. Thank you.